rocking with it. I'm gonna cut the power off, see if you can still hear me.
Alright, well, I clicked the video gate. It was rolling, so you can check it out later when you get a chance. You know, you can cut the power off, and you can see how it was with it on and with it off and all. But I wanted to get that 440 in there while you were talking on it so you could hear for yourself.
Yeah, did you actually get it in there?
No, I did not. I did not hit the record button in time.
Oh, roger. Okay, well, where are you gonna post it up at?
I posted up on 351 Radio on YouTube.
Alright, and it's just 351 Radio.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I can put it on trucks. They're live video gates also if you want.
Yeah, it don't make no difference to me. I got YouTube, or you can put it over there. I don't care. Whatever you want to do it, man. I'm cool with it.
Well, it'll be easier to find on trucks, live video gates, because, you know, you go there all the time. You already got it in your computer.
Yeah, that's right. You still got the gate rolling? Why, yeah.
Yes, sir. BT, she's still rolling.
I can swap over real quick. Give me just 1 second. I'll swap over real quick, and that way I can get that 440 on here, no doubt.
Okay, I'm standing by. I'll leave the video gate rolling.
Man, you're live and you're standing by.
Oh, I got that old DX rolling this morning, 672, Riverside, Texas.
Yeah, there's Jacob.
Skip land. How about it, skip land? 30. Standing by.
Yeah, I'm back in there, 351, if you still got a copy on me out here. I'm back in here on this 440 now. How you?
Okay, yeah, the signal seems about the same, just not quite as robust. Still got good audio, though.
Yeah, roger. Well, you know, I like both the radios, but, you know, whichever one sounds the best, that's the one I'm going with, no doubt.
Yeah, you'll be able to see it on the video gate, you know, the swing and the audio. You'll be able to go back and check it, you know, and you'll know for yourself, you know, what you want to do.
Yeah, I appreciate it too, man. 351, no doubt about it. I appreciate you doing that for me. Well, I'm not gonna tie it up out there, man. Like I said, I appreciate you rolling that gate for me, and I better get out of here. Got some folks that probably get mad at me. 351, your friend BT around the yard saying thank you.
All right, no problem. I didn't change anything on this end. I didn't move my antenna, didn't turn the volume up or down. I didn't make any changes whatsoever. All right, we'll catch you later.
All right, man, I sure appreciate you letting me know all that. That way I have a real good picture of what's going on. Thank you. 351, your friend BT around the yard saying we'll see you. Bye.